This is the letter N. This is how you write the letter N. The sound of the letter N is N.
N is for nurse, who helps me when I am sick. Look at the nest, it has eggs in it. Isn't my mother's necklace beautiful? N is for night when the moon comes out.
Look at the notepad and the pen. The number on the calendar says 10.
The words nurse, night, necklace all begin with the letter N. You can also hear the sound of N in moon, pen, calendar and 10. So now, do you know what is the sound of letter N? It's N.